In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Keyword Tracker on Helium 10. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your Helium 10 account, and then you want to go hover over Products, hover over Find Keywords to drive traffic, and then click on where it says Track Keywords Ranking, and then here click on Keyword Tracker. After you do that, it's going to open up their keyword tracker inside Helium 10, and then if you've never used this, it's going to be empty like mine. The first thing you want to do, you want to basically add products by clicking Add Product, and then you have to select your marketplace. I'm going to select Amazon.com, and here you have to put in your product. So either the ASIN, the product URL, or you can select it from your list. So I don't have a list of products. I haven't connected my Amazon seller account yet, so I can't actually do this. I'm going to just put in an ASIN to some random pencils over here that I found. I'm going to copy that, paste it in here. There we go. And I'm going to click yes, drag the parent ASIN. And there we go. It's now been added in here. The second thing you want to do is you have to basically put in the keywords. So it's going to say, please enter the keyword phrases you'd like to track, one per line. So I'm going to go ahead and type in pencil. I'm going to type in pen. And then I'm going to do, let's say, wood cased. Okay. So I have the three keywords. I want to add these, and I'm going to click on Start Tracking. And in a few seconds, this is going to update, and there we go. As you can see, it now says the tracked keywords are these three over here. I can always pull these down, and I can go ahead and add new ones and edit them by clicking Edit Keywords over here. I can go ahead and add new if I wanted to. And then, of course, whenever something happens to those keywords, it's basically going to go ahead and track this. So it's going to basically track the amount of organic keywords in top 10, top 50, sponsored keywords top 10, top 50, etc. So it's going to basically tell you everything that a keyword tracker does on Helium 10. So that's pretty much how you use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.